Ever wondered how top FMCG brands stay ahead of weekly price wars across platforms like Blinkit, Zepto, and Amazon? Inconsistent pricing, unmonitored discounts, and regional gaps can cost brands millions. We solve this with a live price dashboard that updates weekly across cities, platforms, and SKUs. We start by scraping product prices, availability, discounts, and seller listings from top Q-commerce and e-commerce platforms. Each SKU is tracked by PIN code to catch hyperlocal trends. Our AI models clean, de-duplicate, and tag every data point, ensuring you're not misled by stale or duplicate listings. This is where the magic happens. Pricing managers can instantly benchmark performance, spot competitor moves, and make data-backed decisions. Brands have used our dashboard to launch geo-targeted promotions, improve price match accuracy, catch sudden competitor discount drops, avoid out-of-stock gaps during high-demand weeks,